Hello, it's Ryan Tierney here. I'm going to take you on an amazing journey to the south of Ireland to a company called CW Applied. CW Applied and John and his team came to visit us at Seaton Matters just 6 months ago and went back and totally transformed their company into a lean organisation. They hadn't been practicing 2-second lean until they visited us, and the change that they made in their company is unbelievable. I firmly believe that CW have done more in 6 months than we done in the first 18 months of our lean journey. So what you're about to see here is absolutely incredible.
And they started with cleaning the canteen and cleaning the toilets. And if you're going to go to that level of detail, this is what detail is about. And you actually have the humility. There's no job above anybody.
Yeah.
Everybody is in the same space and we're all in this together. And there's no hierarchies. So this is what's happening. And this is pride. If you have pride in the dignity of having clean bathrooms, you probably have pride in the work that you're doing out on the floor. All right? Okay, let's go.
The attention to detail in every area that we looked at was unbelievable. The total ownership for all the different areas around their facility. And now you're going to meet Geraldine. Geraldine was unbelievable.
This is our roller solder.
Okay.
We feed it up from here through a little, kind of like a washer. And it's right at hand. So you just pull it. Scored as you need it. Very handy. It's not up here. More space on the table.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Geraldine, how do you think your thinking has changed since implementing lean?
Absolutely, completely different. I absolutely love it. I love the 2-second lean. I really do. Every day you come in, it's just great. And everybody has a voice, which is great. We upstairs have our morning meetings. We just sit down. If we have a big issue, we all sit down and open, honest discussion. And that's the way forward. 2-second lean all the way.
15 a day with 3 people when it was on a big line, and once we brought it into one person cell, we doubled it.
And this is their standard work, which was so impressive. It was so clear, so precise, so detailed, and this is one of my biggest takeaways from the whole trip. So myself and Martin spoke to an audience of about 40 people, companies that John had invited in for us to speak to, and we met a lot of great people. And I was also fortunate enough to be interviewed by John on the first of a series of podcasts that he's doing called the Rocking Chair Podcast, which was really exciting, and I'm looking forward to that being released. So this is an amazing improvement they made. They actually had a QR code on the side of the machine for the detailed instructions of how to do the changeover on the machine. Before lean, all this information was in somebody's head, so they're able to quickly scan. It brings you to YouTube to a video on exactly how to carry out that process, and this was an unbelievable improvement. One of the things that impressed me the most was the people, the engagement, the passion. You could just see it in their faces. They were just overflowing with information, and they were so involved and so engaged in what they were doing.
He was just go, get the numbers out. Lean teaches you to stop when there's a problem, take it and fix it. Sure, before I wouldn't have known any of that, how to actually look for the problems. Now I do, and the quality is 10 times better. There used to be loads of missing components between here and there, shipping and there. They're going, where's these components from? But they were getting lost in the machine because it wasn't set up properly, you know.
Yes.
And now there's a deeper knowledge, and quality's better and everything's better from that, you know.
Cut the setup time by 60%.
60%, yeah, something like that.
Cut the setup time.
That wasn't down to just us. No, that was
2 hours?
This one took 4 hours.
4 hours. So you've cut that now by 60 or 70%. That gives you huge flexibility. You can run smaller batches, you can run more often because you're not worried about that downtime. So the net effect has been amazing.
What do you think lean has done for you as a person?
I think lean has not just for me, for everyone, has empowered everyone. It's given them confidence. If you were here 6 months ago, you'd have seen a completely different place and completely different people. The people that are here now are talking, they're engaging, they're confident. It's crazy. It is crazy, the difference.
And where did it come from?
The passion came from, I think, the credit and the praise during the morning meetings when we discussed the WhatsApp and what's the improvements of the day yesterday, what's changed, how do we do it? And it's everyone going, oh, that's a great idea, well done.
Big thing, isn't it?
Yeah, but appreciation is huge because it makes you feel, okay, what I've done is worthwhile. so I'll do more. Whereas, do you know, if you're not getting that, it's kind of like going, right, that's it, why am I wasting my time? But that's the difference.
So if you would like to experience a lean culture that is innovative, that is engaged, that is inspiring, visit CW Applied Technology and request a tour.